Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to reset your password. But let's say you simply forgot your password. Click Sign In, click Forgot Password, select I need to reset my password, and fill in your email. You will then be sent an account verification email. So head on over to your inbox, follow the link, and input a new password. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.